Fabtech Education Society's Fabtech Technical Campus is a hub of creative engineers and entrepreneurs. This grooming center has faith in the power of science and technology for providing solutions to the complex problem in the contemporary time. Mentor of this cradle of creativity is Fabtech Group of Industries, established by late Honorable B.A. Rupanar, headed by President Honorable R.A. Rupanar and Vice President Honorable Amit Rupanar.
Fabtech Technical Campus was established in the year 2011 with a vision to empower the rural youth with modern sophisticated technical education. Founder President of Fabtech Group of Industries and Fabtech Technical Campus, late Bira Saheb Rupner, had envisioned a dream to uplift rural youth by providing them affordable and qualitative education of engineering. In line with that vision, we are always committed to strive hard for the progress of student community and their overall development. We are the only institute in the region having industrial backbone and continuously endeavor to produce dynamic skilled engineers who will be future entrepreneurs of the country. We organize frequent visits and guidance by experts from Fabtech and other industries. Fabtech Technical Campus maintains a fine balance between academic and industry to impart theoretical and sound practical knowledge, along with overall personality development. Hence, Fabtech Technical Campus can provide you with all the skills necessary to compete in today's difficult job market.
This is a fast-growing organization with diverse business interests. We are pioneers who believe that higher education ought to be empowered by industry. We have also envisioned that the rural India will be leaders of the society of tomorrow, and world-class learning center has to be built at the very heart of rural scenario.
फॅबटेक प्रोजेक्ट्स अँड इंजिनियर्स कंपनी ही स्वर्गीय बिरासाहेब रुपनर यांनी 1991 साली भोसरी येथे स्थापन केली. आज या कंपनीचा विस्तार देशात व देशाच्या बाहेर झालेला आहे. आज शेकडो इंजिनियर्स या कंपनीत काम करतात आणि त्याचबरोबर HPCL, BPCL, IOCL अशा कंपनीची कामं ही कंपनी करत असते. प्रेशर व्हेसल्स, रिफायनरीज, पायपिंग, गॅस स्टोरेज टँक्स हे ह्या कंपनीचं प्रोडक्ट्स आहे आणि त्या पद्धतीनं ही कंपनी देशात व देशाच्या बाहेर काम करत आहे आणि या कंपनीचा टर्नओव्हर जवळपास 2000 कोटीच्या वरती आहे. या कंपनीच्या सहकार्यानंच सांगोल्यासारख्या दुष्काळी भागामध्ये आपण टेक्निकल कॅम्पस, फॅबटेक टेक्निकल कॅम्पस या नवीन कॅम्पसची उभारणी केली, जेणेकरून या भागातील ग्रामीण भागातील विद्यार्थ्यांना पुणे, मुंबई यासारख्या ठिकाणी न जाता याच ठिकाणी त्याच दर्जाचं शिक्षण उपलब्ध करून द्यावं या हेतूनं आम्ही ह्या टेक्निकल कॅम्पस डेव्हलप केलेला आहे. सर्व पालकांनी आत्तापर्यंत आम्हाला सहकार्य केलं, आमच्यावर विश्वास ठेवून आम्हाला त्यांनी सहकार्य केलेलं आहे. दरवर्षी जवळपास 80 ते 90% आमची मुलं इथून प्लेसमेंटला सामोरे जातात आणि त्या पद्धतीनं हेतून प्लेसमेंटचा प्रोग्राम आमचा यशस्वी झालेला आहे.
Sangola is strategically placed in western part of Maharashtra with interconnectivity to crucial economical and political centers. FTC, splendidly built to become an architectural landmark and yet remains ergonomically convenient. Carefully designed, it allows students to be comfortable yet familiarizing them with contemporary ambience of global scenario. Studies at the center are structured in a tiered model.
Our Fabtech Polytechnic College gives much emphasis on the overall development of the students to make them versatile engineers of tomorrow. Practical oriental approach is the key strength of our college. Young and enthusiastic faculty members are committed to create dynamic engineers and good human beings.
Institute's core objective is to be engaged in basic research on scientific finding and problem-solving research of lasting value. Our institute is having KG to PG campus, Fabtech Public School. We also have diploma courses, undergraduate courses, and postgraduate courses in the same campus. Having undergraduate and postgraduate courses in the same campus develop research trained among the students. Career opportunities at FabTech Technical Campus after HSC, FabTech College of Engineering and Research. We have proposed FabTech College of Pharmacy for D Pharmacy and B Pharmacy courses from the annual year 2019-20. FabTech College of Engineering and Research has approval of AICTE, DTE, Maharashtra State and affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, the only technological university in Maharashtra. Available BTech degree courses: Civil Engineering, Computer Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. Available MTech postgraduate courses: Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. For admitted students, we have number of benefits as the institute has been affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. Student will get BTech degree instead of BE and MTech instead of ME. University is having well-designed curriculum based on changing needs of industry. Special emphasis on practical-oriented syllabus. Final year students have industrial internship for last semester. University conducts remedial examination for failed students after 1 month of result declaration, which will help in result improvement. Workshops, training programs, short-term courses are arranged by DBATU. Students can select elective subjects from second year. Special guidance for the students regarding entrepreneur skill development. Opportunity for students to get selected in national and multinational companies through centralized placement cell by DBATU. Examination 60-40 pattern with combined passing. Institute is having NAC accreditation and ISO 9001-2015 certification. Career opportunities at FabTech Technical Campus after SSC. FabTech College of Polytechnic. FabTech Campus also has State Board Junior College for Science. Also, we have proposed to commence Industrial Training Institute ITI from the annual year 2019-20. FabTech College of Polytechnic. Institute approval of AICTE, DTE Maharashtra State and affiliated to Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, Mumbai, MSBTE. Available courses: Civil Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. Developing this place as a center of research is the ultimate goal of FabTech. Initiation of postgraduate courses right from its inception is one of the firm steps taken towards achievement of this goal. FTC offers first-class environment for study at every level. Students acquire sound academic knowledge and competence for interdisciplinary collaboration. It connects enthusiasm and intellectual curiosity of students with unique experience of academia. The supply of relevant and up-to-date information is essential to the institute to carry out research and education at world-class level.
FabTech Technical Campus, College of Engineering and Research, Sangola, is the only engineering college having industrial backbone. FabTech Technical Campus has well equipped with laboratories and state-of-art infrastructure. FabTech Technical Campus has the strength of its well-qualified and experienced staffs. FabTech Technical Campus is recognized for its a blend of academia and placement through Training and Placement Center.
Centralized library assures that the information is provided. Over here, some of the scientific collections contain extensive and extremely valuable holdings. Digital library to access national, international journals and digital magazines. IIT faculty guidance to the student through NPTEL local chapter. Our workshop is well equipped and furnished with all traditional and non-traditional machines and their accessories with every measuring instrument. We have machine shop, carpentry shop, fitting, sheet metal, smithy, plumbing and welding section, CNC machine. This is a Wi-Fi enabled campus committed to initiate regarding environment, RO water plant and sewage treatment plant, play a major role in beautification of the campus. Homogeneous reflection of the beautification are spread everywhere. There are two alluring amphitheaters. One is outdoor and other is indoor. Fabtech Technical Campus propagates sporting activities as an energy booster, since the development of mental and physical faculties is equal essential. The cell promotes several indoor and outdoor sports activities to keep the students physically fit, mentally alert. All infrastructure facilities for sports and games are funded by Fabtech Technical Campus Management. FTC provided transport facility from Zat, Atpadi, Mangalvedha, Pandharpur and Mahud. Our faculty is highly qualified and experienced and unique in supporting top-class education and fundamental research across full range of engineering discipline. This place provides attention, care and counseling through activity such as GFM. FTC is giving much emphasis from the initial stage on the soft skill training and personality development program to enhance the employability of the students. Here, common skills and personality development activity gives base for youngsters to mature to become proficient in business world. We have excellent training placement cell which conducts various activities to groom our students to face interviews in placement drives. Personality development training program, interview fit, group discussion and mock sessions training program, technical training programs with projects, industrial visits and educational tours.
Infusing fundamentals of the engineering in the rural students is the prime focus area of our institute. It is the college where expectation of the students and parent take the shape of reality.
Fabtech Technical Campus is fully residential campus where the faculty members remain present 24 hours and they help students to solve their technical and personal difficulties. FTC has spacious staff quarters where faculty is available as residential guardians to the students. FTC has well-furnished boys and girls hostel to develop a sense of home and community. Rooms have their own individual atmosphere and social life. Exchange of knowledge and experience which infuse invaluable dynamic experience in the students.
Polytechnic College is all-time active and gives broader platform to the curricular and extracurricular attributes of the students.
This place nurtures the hidden talent in young minds. The variety and diversity of individual talents are particularly valued in the campus through cultural activities. Total secured campus with 24/7 security and CCTV surveillance. Total secure campus assures safety for knowledge seekers. Fabtech Technical Campus is committed for not only to produce quality engineers but also to source good citizens to our motherland with special efforts on rural upliftment and employment.
TPO cell of our college takes special effort to create young, dynamic, skilled entrepreneur by placing them in multinational and international companies.
As FabTech Technical Campus provide educational platform especially for the rural student, hence I decide to admit myself in this institute and I am fully satisfied with my decision. My educational grade is in increasing order. I am very lucky because I am student of FabTech Polytechnic College.
In 10th I got 91.20%. So because of my that achievement, FabTech Technical Campus awarded me with 100% concession in tuition fee as well as hostel fee. Our college works on the proposal that an investment in knowledge pays best interest to us.
FabTech Technical Campus is the educational hub that is committed to provide rural employment, and that is the main thing of my college. And the message for the student from our founder member Mr. Birasaheb Rupner was education is most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Today I feel very proud about the institute FabTech Technical Campus because the knowledge required for a sound engineer has given us by this institute. Also our institute works on the popular quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This says that the students should have equal knowledge about the industry during their academic journey.
FabTech Technical Campus gives wide scope to sport activities by conducting various sports events to nurture sportive spirits among the students. Also, our college goes for various cultural activities like annual social gathering to expose hidden artists in the students and make them all-rounder.
I have secured 90% in the 10th standard, so appreciating that college has given me 100% concession. Due to that, I have also scored a lot of achievements here. I have scored 90% in the first year, and I feel very proud to be a part of this society or this industry.
माझा मुलगा राजदीप रामहरी सावंत BTech इंजिनिअरिंगच्या मेकॅनिकल या कोर्ससाठी दुसऱ्या वर्षात या कॉलेजमध्ये शिकत आहे. इथल्या मुलामुलींना सोलापूर, पुणे, मुंबई, सांगली अशा ठिकाणी जाऊन इंजिनिअरिंगचे शिक्षण घेणं फीच्या दृष्टीने परवडत नाही, परंतु या ठिकाणी सांगोल्यात कॉलेज निघालेलं असल्यामुळं खेड्यापाड्यातली गोरगरिबाची शेतकऱ्यांची मुलं मुली कमी फीमध्ये आणि येऊन जाऊन या कॉलेजमध्ये शिकतात आणि इथलं कॉलेजचा परिसर अतिशय उत्कृष्ट असा आहे. इमारत प्रचंड आणि टोलेजंग अशी आहे. इथला प्राध्यापक वृंद हुशार, अभ्यासू आणि प्रतिभाशाली असा आहे.
भारतभर या फॅबटेक ग्रुप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीची कामं चालू आहेत. हे शैक्षणिक वर्ष मग माझी तिन्ही मुलं या कॉलेजची विद्यार्थी आहेत होते. हे कॉलेज याच वर्षी बाटूला जॉईन झालं आणि बीटेकची डिग्री या कॉलेजमधून भेटते म्हटल्यानंतर सगळ्यांचा पालकांचा, विद्यार्थ्यांचा आणि या ग्रामीण भागातला कल या कॉलेजकडे वाढलेला आहे.
The responsibility of creating young entrepreneurs is a polytechnic college, and for the same we are thoroughly committed.